Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Natural Chemistry Clarify. What is Natural Chemistry Clarify? Clean up your spa this season with the Natural Chemistry Spa and Hot Tub Clarify Clarity Formula Solution. The Hot Tub Water Clarity Cleaner uses high-quality chitosan to quickly eliminate cloudiness and deliver crystal clear water clarity. It's compatible with all high sanitizer levels and spa surfaces, making it perfect for regular use. The spa cleaning solution can be used at the same time as shocking your spa or hot tub. It also works to improve your spa filtration system performance while keeping your hot tub water crystal clear. Product benefits: uses high-quality chitosan to quickly eliminate cloudiness and deliver water clarity. Compatible with all high sanitizer levels and spa surfaces. Can be used at the same time as shocking your spa or hot tub. Works to improve your spa filtration performance while keeping water crystal clear. Usage directions: to keep spa water clear, use Clarify once a week at the standard dosage. For spas that get heavy use or for commercial spas, Clarify may be used twice weekly at double or triple dosage. Step 1. Make sure the filter is clean and all equipment is working properly. Step 2. Measure appropriate dosage using caps produced and add to spa water with filter running and jets on high. Run filter system continuously for at least 1 hour after application. Dosage. Routine maintenance: 1 fluid ounce per 500 gallons of water per week. Cloudy water: 2 fluid ounces per 500 gallons of water. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.